2 feet away in the snow. Remember, you crashed into your mark.
I was too close, wasn't I?
Aye, I said that, I did say that.
But right, that's us. Second day, guys. I'm here. Do not know where we are. We're in some campsite, right? And I just seen TA outdoors lit. I was up there talking to Mike a minute ago. Only joking. It does look like his van, doesn't it? But it's not. But there we go. There's my tent, right? So day number 2. There's my tent. There's Eddie's tent. I think we're all going to go to Keswick or somewhere. Never been to Keswick, so there's Andy's Bergos tent. So it's a car camp. We're on a farm. There's Sean, Cumbrian Camper's tent. My tent. Mark's got the big Robins tent there, and there's another Mark. There's another Mark with us. Look, he's got the MSR tent, and then we've got the big Robins. Look. So yeah, we're on our way to Keswick. You coming, Mark? No. Right, so we're all heading that way. We're following Andy Wardle.
Yeah, go on then, yeah.
So I've brought the weather with me, Mark, haven't I? I've brought the Scottish rain with me. Wouldn't be
just a bit, right?
Wouldn't be my video with it, the rain, would it? So that's us, we're in Keswick. We're having a little look round.
Trying to find that. Where's the big for? That one, right? We always come in there, we always come in.
Oh yeah, look, we're at the camping shop. Mark was saying he's not got enough camping gear. Never get too much, have we? It's got a sail on as well, look. So
After that, a special deal because when I was in the even with the guy was so long.
Did you want?
I don't know, 2 years ago. I got that special price for the new guy.
So we're on our way down to that George Fisher. Apparently it's got good camping stuff. Halliburg tents and all that kind of thing. So we were supposed to be doing a hill, but I'm guessing we're not going to. We're just traipsing about the town by the looks of it. Apparently Mark comes in here and posts this on Instagram every time. Look.
This is the one I got my eye on. I had my eye on for about 2 years. I can't afford that.
They're lovely, aren't they, British?
Oh, no, he's got the one not allowed. He's got just bought one. This is fantastic. Packs up to nothing.
I'm still using my old army one, which weighs about 3.
It's not TARDIS.
16.
Side TARDIS. Should be a D there.
There's all the Hallies. Eddie's wanting that one.
I'm going to get it.
He's wanting it in smelly red.
I'm going to get it in red.
Who gets it in
Must
red?
be red.
See, I'm a sand bloke myself.
What's it that colour?
I'm a sand one.
I want to match my jacket, actually.
Yeah. His solos and his other ones in red.
No, it's not one of these. Not this one. This one.
I'm going to get it. I'm going to get that.
Yeah. I'm not getting anything. Got any money. That gets me a fab seal.
And Andy's getting fab seal.
Getting it before that. 13 quid.
I actually need to get some for my old Vango tent.
Just buy a new one. Just buy one of these.
Just missed that. I seen Eddie putting his hand in his pocket there, look. They put it in. I think he put 10 pence on. You know Eddie's tight. That's us, we're back at the campsite. There's Mark stuck his tarp up. It's the farm. So I'm right by the river. So there's where our tents are. Look at this little waterfall over here. Oh, I thought you could get over there, but you can't. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm sure I probably could. But the waterfall's over there. It's a little weird. Very nice. You can see the house where we're camping spot. I thought we were going to climb in today, but I don't know. I would like to climb up there. Let's see. It's there. That would be cool. Yeah, let's see what time it is. See, it's only really 2 o'clock. But yeah, see what the guys are doing. Jump back over. Just thought I would show that little waterfall there. It's nice, isn't it? Weir, whatever you want to call it. So you won't believe me what I done when I went to Keswick. I went and left the door on, my tent open. And it was raining really heavy. But there we go. So I'm having a little brew. I'm gonna have another. I think I'll just have a hot coffee. My coffee. And I'll have some spam for lunch. I think. So yeah, I do like this little campsite. Just here by the river. Very nice. Yeah, so there's the spam on, guys. So I've got the spam. Look, I've got the tub one. I couldn't get the actual tin. I was rushing to come here. So there we go. Look, I like this view. See the little view here. Look, and there's Mark out in the wells. He smelt my food and he's like, ah. And he knew I was cooking the spam. But what he was saying about the frying pan. Look. He says it's pretty good. So, if Dave Canterbury's watching, right? The frying pans are pretty good, Dave. Because I know Dave watches my videos. Because he says he doesn't comment, but he says he watches them.
You dinner, lad?
Right, I just had my spam, right, and it was delicious. So, for all the haters, whatever, right?
No wrong with spam.
It was good, right? I wouldn't say to eat it all the time. But I will say, right, I only eat spam when I come out because my wife wouldn't let me eat spam every day. I think some people are under the impression that I eat spam every day. Honestly, I don't, right? And I don't do fry-ups every day, but that's just another. So, Sean's cooking now. So, this is what he's having for his lunch, look. Oh. Chuck steak burgers, look at that.
He can afford them, what he call head for the hills. He has homemade ones.
Sean likes Andrew, so if you're watching Andrew.
Oh, he's alright. He's a canny lad. He's a canny lad.
I was actually just messaging Andrew like 10 minutes ago there when you said that. So head for the house. So you'd like it here, mate, you would?
He's alright, you know.
Cool.
He does some miles, he does more miles than bloody Forrest Gump, man.
Oh yeah. He likes his walking, does Andrew. So what we're having, bacon?
Bacon, I've got burger, bacon and double cheese.
Bacon. Oh, you making a bacon cheeseburger?
Aye.
Oh.
I'm making two actually.
But, It's not mine's. It's always mine's, but it's Sean's.
Ages and they're still the same price.
Something like, I was saying, how come that's a lot thicker? Because like,
Alright, aye.
it must be double zipped.
Ah.
That means I need to zip them together again. Oh, fucking hell.
Lost the plug, already.
I've got one leg, just one leg.
I might not bother with the bacon. Oh, me fuck! There's a bit of smoke there, like in there. We'll try and knock that one a bit.
Right, there we go. Chef Sean has cooked the burgers.
Nearly.
He says to me, there's not enough burgers, Stuart. And then he walks over to Eddie and says, do you want a burger, Eddie?
Aye, because I was going to do that.
Yep. So, there we go, look. He's mangled that roll. Look at the roll, look. He's ripped that open with his fingers.
Done it with my knife. Put a slice of cheese on your roll, Eddie.
Right.
On the bottom, then I'll put you one on the top and
That's the bottom.
I'll put one on the top of your burger, you see.
That'll do, me ham and that.
Get 2 slices of cheese, Eddie. The ducks will be out here in a minute. See, but remember my plate? I could have put my plate on the top and it would have melted lovely. You know what I mean? Yep, right. We can get the sauce.
There's the guts.
Oh, my burger. Oh, what a catch.
Oh yeah, there we go. There's the burgers all cooked, look. How does that look?
Tremendous. Oh, look at it on there.
Cooked by Chef Sean.
Aye, Morrison's chuck steak burgers.
Really nice.
Yeah.
So,
I'll move it over there in the middle.
Check the size.
there's Eddie, look. See,
The size of the burger's the biggest bun I've ever seen.
I couldn't believe it when I seen them in
Look at the
Morrison's.
size it.
When I seen the buns, I couldn't believe them.
Half a loaf.
Awful. Aye, he said, that's what he said, them on buns and loaves, he says. I can never open these, you know.
We know when again fucking hell.
so what you drinking, Andy?
Beer. It's beer like, but is it beer though? It's pop. Disco forklift truck. 5%.
Wow.
It's not very percenty, that, is it?
There's Sean's beers.
Oh, I have a
No, I'm gonna go and back my tent and get a beer. Don't pinch me chair on.
But yeah, Eddie's in his tent sleeping.
Did you get a rhubarb one? No, the raspberry, no, it's got the original.
Just on the campsite. Dinner time, guys. I'm going to cook some pork steaks. I'm going to have 2 of them. I'll have some onions. Do you want some steaks, Eddie? Or do you want yours later?
No, I'll have mine to do. Why not?
Do you want it now?
I was going to say, do you want any fig rolls or grapes? There's
So,
fig rolls.
I'm cooking them,
If you want.
and I'm going to have some onions and with sweet chilli sauce. Look at that. So, cook that up now. But it'll be all mine's and Eddie's.
Yeah, I'll just take one.
You want one, Eddie?
I'll take
Right.
one, mate. I've eaten all day, as you know. I've had...
You know what he's eating? He's eating a big a small Scottish breakfast, and then he had a little curry, and then he had that big burger that I showed you.
I've had plenty to eat.
So,
I'll have a Chinese.
I'll get. Lovely jubbly. So there we go. I've got some onions with the sauce and 2 pot steaks. Dinner time. Yum yum. That was good. I enjoyed that. So there's Eddie's. I've cooked for him. You got a plate, Eddie?
Not mate, but I can use something I can use.
Alright. So that's Eddie's. I've made them. And I've got another 2 down here. 3, sorry. So 2 of them's for Mark. And I'll make some more onions for Mark. But yeah, lovely. How does that? Right, I've just turned round, right? And I don't know what Eddie's done. He's doing some kind of... Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, we're still in this campsite. Mark's got a beer.
Cheers.
Yep, there he is. Mark out in the wilds. So, not really done a lot to do, just chilling. We went to Keswick and just really enjoying being here. It's £6 to camp here. I've never been on a campsite for about, I don't know, 3 years. Well, saying that I was at the caravan, but I've never camped for 3 years. I've been in a caravan park with Ollie and Sarah just a couple of months back there, but camping. But yeah, it's quite nice. Nice little bit, isn't it, Mark?
Aye,
Just next to the little river. You can't complain.
No, you got showers.
There's showers and...
And a river.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice. I like it. But not really into the campsites. There's Sean coming back. I've stole my chair back. He was on my chair. So see if you're watching, Sean. It's mine's all mine's.
No, he's got Eddie's.
Oh yeah, he's going to steal Eddie's chair. Likes to steal chairs. Oh no. I think he's going to go over there. Oh no, he's coming next to us, look. The 3 Geordies are over there. The mad Scotsman's over there.
I'm bloody storm. I'm not going to eat like but I'm hungry, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are you cooking, Sean?
Just going to have a massive bacon sandwich.
Oh, bacon sandwich.
Use it up, like. It's going to rain in the morning, so it'll be cool in the morning.
Yeah, oh, it's to rain tomorrow. I think it's to start raining in about an hour actually, to be honest. So we'll be camping in the rain tonight. I love that. See when you're in your tent and you can hear that rain on your tent.
Oh, it's not better.
It's love that. And then you're in your sleeping bag, it's so cosy. That is the best thing ever, isn't it?
We'll get dinner.
But yeah, there we go. More food. There's the dog. As well.
Good lad, go and play. You never plays, you know. Go play, Pip, go play.
So it started to rain and I'm inside my tent. I'm just sitting looking at my little candle lantern. My windshield. Can you see me? Yeah. there. So, yeah, it's night time.
Not bad.
Yeah, rain had come on, stopped again. So, no, just a little candle listening to the other end. So I'm inside the porch area of my tent. Look at that. Darkness. But yeah, that is bringing some heat into this tent, honestly. It is unbelievable. The heat that's coming off of that little it's unbelievable the heat coming from that little candle. So, I'm off to bed, guys. See you in the morning. I think we're leaving tomorrow, so it's not really been one of the longest I've had those, but I've just been really chilling. I've not really been filming it because people have been drinking and things, so I don't really like to film that kind of thing. So it's all open down, it's just chilling. Morning. It's 7 o'clock. Oh, it rained all night here. It stopped like 10 minutes ago there. Lovely, but you can't beat that sound, can't you not? So being in your tent and it's raining. I think I got a little film of it. I woke up during the night and I recorded a bit, I'm sure. That I'll add here. But yeah, it's been a good day. I'm probably just going to pack up and head home. So this will probably be the end. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. So there's the tent that I had in the rain. The Cloud Peak 2, right? It's got a big pool right here in the middle, look. Because you put the tent together and then you put this piece on separately, right? Which, you're going to get that pool in the middle, aren't you? Look at it. But I suppose it didn't leak. I suppose, at least it's good that way. So this is a first for me, if I've ever been camping. I'm going to go for a shower. Oh. So I'll spare you the details of the shower, but it's first time having a shower camping. So yeah, that's me. I've had my shower. I'll be honest, it was good. So this is a little campsite that we're on. It's an old farm, and then they've put like caravans. And then the actual, this is the outbuildings, toilets and that kind of thing, and showers. And then the actual farm is next to it. That's where you go and you pay to camp. It was like £6, which is good. It's fine. I don't think I'll be on a campsite again, but maybe next year if I come back to this. And then you go down the bottom and round, and that's where the tents are. It's nice little campsite. I like it. I don't know if I showed, but there's a person with one of those big tent things like T8 outdoors. The one that Mike's got. He came down the lakes, but it's not Mike. But I'll show you, it's just round the corner here. Look. Do. Just there, look. That's where the tent spots are. There's Mark's tent, he's got the basher up, right? Look at the view that he's got from here. I was just sitting under his tent and I was looking, right? So there's Mark's tent, look, he's sleeping. Oh, his kit. Right, but look at the view that he's got. Is that not a view from your tent? Mountain's a little bit higher, but the clouds coming in, so but it's nice. Lovely jubbly. But yeah, I think that's us, we're all packed. I've just threw all my kit in the car and then I think we're heading off. I think Eddie's waiting for Mark, but I don't think Mark wants to get up, does he? He's too cosy in his bag.
My memory card's full.
They want fed.
So here's a tip that I'm sure I've told people before, but microfiber towel. Dry your tent before you put it away. So I'll wipe the whole tent down. I used that towel for myself as well, and then you just wring them out. And your tent, it'll be less weight you're carrying. So we've made it to Carlisle. We're off for another breakfast. We've had a breakfast in Morrison's Friday, then I got a small breakfast on Saturday, and then we're off again on Sunday. We were looking for the hotel that John Carlisle works in, but we couldn't find it. So see if you're watching, John, where is your hotel? But you probably been in the woods cooking some breakfast, weren't they? But we're in Morrison's. So, off we go.
Except me, I'm not having anything.
Eddie, he stuffed himself yesterday, but I've got the footage. He had his breakfast and then he had the big curry, then he had a big burger, then he had the pot steak and onions, and then he was eating cakes and
Crisps and I don't know.
I think he had the munchies yesterday.
I'm suffering today.
So we're off. Can we see how crazy this rain is? Look, it is bucketing down. Crazy. That's us, we're over the border, we're back in Scotland and it's still raining. Dumfries and Galloway's to the left hand side there, and we're coming into Lockerbie. So that's me, I'm near enough up to Glasgow. I think I've got about another hour to go and I'll be in Glasgow.